Welcome to our deep dive into the world of CAD software for mechanical engineers. Ever wondered which tools are the most popular and why? Computer-aided design, or CAD, has revolutionized the field of mechanical engineering, enabling engineers to create, analyze, and modify designs digitally, thus augmenting efficiency and improving accuracy. We'll explore 4 top SolidWorks, Autodesk Fusion 360, ANSYS, and AutoCAD. Each of these software options has unique features and advantages that make them a go-to for mechanical engineers. So buckle up, let's get started with SolidWorks. SolidWorks, a highly versatile tool, is a top choice for many mechanical engineers. It's not just its user-friendly interface that makes it a favorite, but also its extensive material library that offers an incredible range of options. The real game changer, however, lies in its powerful simulation capabilities. With SolidWorks, engineers can simulate real-world scenarios, making it easier to predict and solve potential design issues before they become costly problems. But the capabilities of SolidWorks don't stop there. It's also highly versatile, making it applicable across a range of industries. In the automotive industry, for instance, it's used to design everything from the smallest component to the entire vehicle. In aerospace, it's trusted to create intricate parts that can withstand the harsh conditions of space. And in the world of industrial equipment, SolidWorks is behind the design of many machines that keep our industries running. So, whether you're designing a car, a spaceship, or a factory machine, SolidWorks has the tools to make your job easier, more efficient, and more successful. Now, let's move to our next software, Autodesk Fusion 360. Autodesk Fusion 360, a cloud-based CAD tool, offers a unique blend of design and engineering capabilities. This software is a force to reckon with in the world of mechanical engineering. A standout feature of Fusion 360 is its integrated platform. This means you can move seamlessly from designing to testing without having to switch between different software. It's like having an entire engineering department in the palm of your hand. Fusion 360 also excels in collaboration. No matter where you are in the world, you can work on designs together in real time. It's like having your team in the same room, even when you're miles apart. This feature is a game changer, especially in our increasingly remote world. Moreover, Fusion 360 is not just a jack of all trades, but a master too. It's versatile, handling everything from 3D modeling to simulation and manufacturing. So whether you're designing a simple gear or an entire engine, Fusion 360 has got you covered. But what sets Fusion 360 apart is its commitment to continuous learning. With a thriving online community, you can always find help, tutorials, and inspiration for your next project. In the world of mechanical engineering CAD tools, Fusion 360 is a powerful ally. It brings together design, testing, and collaboration all in one place, making your job as an engineer that much easier. Next on our list is the powerful ANSYS. ANSYS, renowned for its simulation capabilities, is another favorite among mechanical engineers. This powerful tool stands out for its exceptional ability to simulate real-world scenarios, providing a comprehensive analysis that assists in the creation of robust and efficient designs. With ANSYS, engineers can tackle complex engineering projects, simulate various conditions, and predict the performance of their designs under different circumstances. It's a game changer, truly embracing the essence of seeing is believing. Last but not least, let's talk about AutoCAD. AutoCAD, one of the oldest and most trusted CAD software, is still widely used in the industry. Its longevity is a testament to its power and flexibility. With AutoCAD, engineers have a wide range of tools at their disposal, allowing for the creation of precise 2-dimensional and 3-dimensional designs. It's a versatile tool that can handle the demands of complex mechanical engineering projects. Whether you're designing a small component or a large machine, AutoCAD's robust set of features can simplify the process significantly. That wraps up our exploration of CAD software used by mechanical engineers. We've uncovered the unique advantages of SolidWorks, Autodesk Fusion 360, ANSYS, and AutoCAD. From collaborative capabilities to superior simulation, each software holds its own strengths. Remember, the right tool can greatly enhance your design process, improving efficiency and accuracy. It all comes down to your specific project requirements and personal preferences. Choose wisely and make these powerful CAD tools work for you. Enjoyed the video? Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a like. Stay tuned for more informative content.